Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on advanced percentages. Sometimes we will be given a percentage of the full quantity. We are then asked to find the full quantity itself. The following guidelines are very useful. Number 1. Rewrite the sentence in simple form. Number 2. Find 1% of the given quantity. Number 3. Multiply this amount by 100 to find the full quantity. So let's do some examples to see how this works. Number 1. 8% of a particular amount is 24. What is the full amount? So the first guideline says rewrite the sentence in simple form. So the simplest form is 8% equals 24. See, 8% of a particular amount is 24. So 8% equals 24. Therefore, 1% must be 24 over 8. So you just divide both sides by 8. So 1% must be 3. Okay, so that's number 2. We found 1%. The third one says multiply this amount by 100 to find the full quantity. So 100% is 3 times 100, and that's 300. So the full amount is 300. Number 2. I spend 12% of my weekly wage on a new coat. If the new coat costs $84, what is my weekly wage? So 12% is $84. That's the first point in the guidelines. Then we find 1%, which is $84 over 12, and that gives us $7. To find 100%, you multiply $7 by 100 to give us $700, and that is the weekly wage. Number 3. If 12.5% of the school population is 150 students, what is the total number of students in the school? So writing it in the simple form, 12.5% equals 150 students. Therefore 1% equals 150 over 12.5. Now whenever you have a fraction either in the numerator or denominator, multiply top and bottom by whatever you need to remove the fraction. So because that's a half, multiply top and bottom by 2. 2 times 150 is 300. 2 times 12.5 is 25. So that's exactly the same value as this fraction here. So 150 over 12.5 will give you the same answer as 300 over 25, and that's 12. So 100% will be 12 times 100, and that's 1,200 students for the school population. So this video has given us a few problems where we can practice finding the full amount once we are given a smaller percentage of that full amount.